what I'm talking about, come on! Voice with emotion, I hear it knocking at the door. My end emotion unlocks a past within my core. New moments of my life. God, I feel you through space and time. When I close my eyes, serenity, flood the deepest parts of me with a world full of memories. Recapture the thoughts when I see momentum and collapse. Recalculating my life. You're the memory. Voice with emotion, I hear knocking at the door. Unlocks a past within my core. In your hands, my life shaped by design. Flood the deepest parts of me with a world full of memories. Recapture the thought. I see moments and then they collapse. Recalculating my life in a memory relapse. This is the moment. I don't want to see a single person staying still in a second. Split the room. Get the mosh pit going! Face to face! Point by point! Calculate what's inside! Face to face! When I close my eyes, serenity will flood the deepest parts of me with a world full of memories. Recapture the thoughts when I see moments and then they collapse. Recalculating my life and a memory relapse. We thank you, God, for the memories that you give to us. We thank you, God, for the memories of the things, the people that we love. We thank you, God, for all the peace that you've delivered to my heart. And let it be a memory relapse that keeps me going on for the rest of my life.